register.
Okay, sir.
Because you have your assets register, right? In your asset register, you are going to declare whether this is HSE or non-HSE. So that is an activity for you. I think can put this as a recommendation.
Yeah,
Mm.
I will put here review registering.
Okay.
So Nisha, this is very important.
Can you specify asset register to help them also, so that when they are preparing the asset register, they will take note of this because it relates as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have put both Babulo, I think good point. HSCS as well as asset register. Good. So guys, next is determine if HSE reputation, community relation, no impact, because it is not having any impact on the community. Perform through a site inspection for hazard housekeeping. This is done as per the SSC plan. So the construction is done, so no major concern here.